In this video, I'll show you how to enable and customize Now Bar on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. The Now Bar appears on the lock screen and shows live notifications from supported apps. It allows you to quickly see updates like navigation, media playback, live match scores, and more. Let's see how to turn it on. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD Always on Display. Next, tap on Now Bar. Here you'll see several options for live notifications, such as Audio Broadcast, Clock, Google Finance, Google Maps, Media Player, Sports from Google, Live Sports Score, Live Activities from supported apps. Simply toggle on the apps you want to show live notifications on your lock screen. Once enabled, when your phone is locked, you'll see the Now Bar at the bottom of the lock screen. Tap on it to expand and view more details. You may also see multiple live notifications, such as navigation from Google Maps, clock, or media controls. When you unlock your phone, the Now Bar information can appear in the status area, allowing you to quickly check updates. You can customize which apps appear in the Now Bar anytime from the same settings page. You can also show the Now Bar on the Always On display. To do this, go back to Settings, then tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Always On Display. Make sure the Show Now Bar option is enabled. Now, when your phone is locked and you tap the screen, you'll be able to see the Now Bar directly on the Always On display. And that's it! That's how you can enable and customize the Now Bar on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series.